Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to give y'all a quick little tip, as y'all already seen in the title. So I realized something I was doing wrong with toning my blonde hair using the Shimmer Lights shampoo. So I just felt like I could put y'all on a little bit and give y'all a little quick tip. So I realized what I was doing wrong was I was putting too much of the purple shampoo into the bucket, and that's what was causing me to get the blotchy, patchy type of look. So I tried to put a little bit less of the Shimmer Lights and submerge it in the water a little bit better, and when I tell y'all, it came out so much better. So if you use this method to tone your blonde hair, try to use a little bit of shampoo instead of a lot. final look, and y'all know I love me a nice blonde look. This wig looks so beautiful. Look at this wig. She looks good. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared blending the knots, but don't get me wrong, y'all know I'm gonna always get the blending. One thing about me, I'm gonna blend, but the knots were kind of big, like double knotted in a way, which kind of led to me putting a hole in the lace, like micro little tears in the lace. So that was the only thing I was really having issues with. But as y'all can see, let's get a close-up of this lace, because y'all know how I get. Out the scalp, babes. Out the scalp. When you blend your lace, your 613 lace at that, is very important to, once you put the concealer on the bottom or whatever you use. I use concealer, and clearly you can see what result it got me, so I'm always going to recommend concealer. But once you apply it underneath, also apply it on the top. And yes, I do that all the time, so if you follow that method that I do, then you definitely do that. But you don't want to put the makeup too much on the hair, just a little bit. It's kind of like reverse bleaching in a way, or toning, whatever you want to say, but it really works. Like, I not only put it on the top of the lace, I put it on the hair just a little bit, because you don't want your roots looking like they're all the color of your skin and then blonde. It's gonna look dumb. It's gonna look like you have roots. It's just not gonna look good. But if you put it on there a little bit, it could give the illusion that it's really coming out your scalp, and it'll help it blend even more. And then once you add your spritz of any kind on top of it, it's just gonna, everything's gonna pull together. So with that being said, honey, she looks good. She's ready. I actually have a flight to go to right now, so I just gotta make a quick move, get dressed. My suitcase is packed. I'm actually on time, for the people who know, you know. And everything's going good so far. So thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Let me know what y'all think about this look, because she is giving. She's giving. I did a nice little layers in the front. Not that it's gonna be a big thing, but it looks cute with the nice little layers. Like, it's fun. It makes it look really fun. And then the hair was like bumped for real. Like, if I went in with the blow drying brush and just bumped the ends, it would be even more cuter. But I think I'm gonna stick to a more straight look, because I'm about to be in Miami, and not only is this Atlanta heat something, but that Florida heat, yeah, too much. Anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning into my video. Make sure you like if you like this video, comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.